Our Chief Guest Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh, Shri Raman Deka Sir, and Guest of Honor Honorable Vice Chancellor Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Memorial Health Sciences and Ayush University of Chhattisgarh, Dr. P.K. Patra Sir. Respected Board of Directors, respected Dean Academics, Dean Administrative CDCRI, esteemed HODs, faculty members, and our distinguished postgraduates, batch of 2021, graduates batch of 2019 with their parents and family members. We request all the students, parents and esteemed faculty members to kindly stand at your places for National Anthem and State Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जन गण
Thank you so much, sir.
Now I request respected Dean Ma'am and Dean Sir CDCRI to extend gratitude by presenting a memento to our guest of honor, Governor of Chhattisgarh, Shri Raman Deka Sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request our Secretary, Shri Sanjay Golcha sir, and Treasurer, Shri Manoj Kocha sir, to welcome our guest of honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Health Sciences and Ayush University, Dr. P.K. Patra sir, with a Shrifal and shawl. It is our utmost privilege to have you in the special occasion of our institute, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our director, Shri S.K. Jain, sir, to present the token of gratitude with a memento to our guest of honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. P.K. Patra, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request our Dean Administrative, Dr. Nagratna ma'am, to share the insights and thoughts for the journey that lies ahead for our graduates. Please, ma'am.
A very good morning and warm welcome to everyone. Today, I feel highly privileged, honored to stand here to welcome and express my gratitude to our special guests, our Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh and Chancellor of Ayush University, Shri Raman Deka sir, and Guest of Honor, Vice Chancellor, Shri Dr. P.K. Patra sir, on the occasion of passing out ceremony. I am deeply obliged to state that our guest gave a very kind consent to spare their valuable time with us. We are highly honored to have you, sir. I also extend my warm welcome to our respected Collector Rajnandgaon, Shri Sanjay Agarwal sir, respected IG Shri Deepak Kumar Jha sir, respected SP Shri Mohit Garg sir, our chairperson Shri Parak sir, Vice President Shri Buddhan sir, Secretary Shri Sanjay Golcha sir, all the official dignitaries, our Board of Directors, Dean Academic Dr. Sahu, Dean Ayurvedic Dr. Nanda, faculty, students and proud parents. We are gathered here today to celebrate the success of our graduates of Chhattisgarh Dental College and Research Institute. I am proud to state that with the emergence of Chhattisgarh state, our institute came as a gift to the state in the field of health provider in 2002. It is crowned the glory of being the first dental college of the state set up by the team of 14 dynamic directors, board of directors, who toiled day in and day out to realize the dream of bringing up this institution. We are also the first NAC accredited dental college in the state. Our fundamental goal is to develop exemplary dental surgeons, specialists, researchers, leaders through enhanced education, clinical training and research. We are providing opportunities environment for our students with continued support from the management. Today, we are having graduating batch of 2019-20 and postgraduates of 2021 and 22 with 80 students graduating. This is a batch which faced the global pandemic. They have encountered new obstacles, adjusted to uncertainty, stretched their expectations, and began to learn new ways. It is these adaptations which help you to face challenges in your life as well as professional career. We are also grateful to your parents, professors, mentors, and all those who have influenced your decision to pursue dentistry, support your dreams, help shape you into a passionate, compassionate healthcare providers. Congratulations, we are also proud of you. Remember, this is just the beginning. Education is a lifelong journey. We are all learners, so keep stretching your brain to learn and grow. I wish you all the success in your life. Once again, I extend my hearty welcome to one and all present here.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing inspiring words.
Moving ahead with the ceremony, I request our chairman, sir, Shri N.C. Parak, sir, to kindly come forward and seek permission from Honorable Governor, sir, to start with today's ceremony.
मैं नेमीचंद पारक, अध्यक्ष छत्तीसगढ़ डेंटल कॉलेज एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट राजनांदगांव महामहिम राज्यपाल से अनुरोध करता हूं कि मुझे छत्तीसगढ़ डेंटल कॉलेज एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट के पासिंग आउट समारोह का शुभारंभ करने की अनुमति प्रदान करें। सर, मैं नेमीचंद पारक, अध्यक्ष छत्तीसगढ़ डेंटल कॉलेज एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट राजनांदगांव, महामहिम राज्यपाल की अनुमति से छत्तीसगढ़ डेंटल कॉलेज एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट के पासिंग आउट समारोह के शुभारंभ की घोषणा करता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
Now, it's time to hear from our chief guest, whose presence here today adds great significance to this ceremony. Shri Raman Deka sir, the 10th governor of Chhattisgarh, was born on March 1st, 1954 in Saulkuchi, Kamrup district, Assam. Sir has earned his BA degree in philosophy and economics from Prag Jyotish College, Guwahati University, Assam. A veteran politician, Shri Raman Deka sir has been active in politics since 1977. He was a founding member of Bharatiya Janata Party in 1980 and served as the state president of Assam BJP in 2006. Most recently, he held the position of vice chairman of the Innovation and Transformation Commission of Assam. He has also served as a member of parliament twice. He was also the member in several parliamentary committees, including the Standing Committee on Health, Home Affairs, Public Account Committee, and many more. Sir took the oath as the Governor of Chhattisgarh on July 31st, 2024, marking a new chapter in his distinguished political career. Sir is also the Chancellor of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Memorial Health Sciences and Ayush University of Chhattisgarh. I request our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh, Shri Raman Deka sir, to please enlighten this ceremony with your valuable words. Please, sir.
Namaskar. Dr. P.K. Patra, Vice Chancellor, Pandit DDU Memorial Health Science and Ayush University. Sri N.G. Prakash, President CG Dental College and Research Institute. Sri S.K. Jain, Director CG Dental College and Research Institute. Sri S.K. Boden, Vice President CG Dental College. Distinguished guests, dear students and parents, and my journalist friends. I am delighted to stand before you today on this momentous occasion of the graduation ceremony of the Chhattisgarh Dental College and Research Institute in Rajnaandgaon. Today, we celebrate the culmination of years' hard work, dedication, and perseverance that have shaped you into the dental professional you are now. Graduation is not merely a milestone, it is a testament to your resilience, determination, and a passion for learning that has brought you to this point. It marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another chapter, where your knowledge and skills will contribute to the health and well-being of countless individuals. You will start a new innings of life after your graduation. It may be in education, it may be in your field of dental health cares. Today I feel proud to honor the graduates of the Bachelor of Dental Surgery class of 2019-20 and the Master of Dental Surgery class of 21-22. As dental professional, your role in society is indispensable. Oral health is not just about maintaining a bright smile, it is a vital component of overall health. The work you do has the power to elevate pain, restore confidence, and improve lives. With this great responsibility comes the need for continuous learning and compassion. As your dean said, learning is a journey and we have to complete this journey. So there is always a scope to learn new things in every sphere of lives. And especially education, there is no end of learning till our death. Dental surgery is a very important thing which was not seen before. Nowadays, everybody cares for it. Oral health is very necessary. There is a proverb in my village: if your teeth are not well, your stomach will not be well. That calls Madhya Pradesh, the middle part. So, it is a very important role of playing the health. And who feels pain in teeth, they can understand what is the pain, because I have seen that. I have go through a tremendous pain during my ache in teeth. So it is an important role to play in dental surgery. Now people are very cautious. They are also coming, villagers are also coming for oral health, oral cleanup. So whenever you go to the field, you must aware the people, aware the community, the importance of dental health. To the Board of Directors and the faculties of Chhattisgarh Dental College and Research Institute, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering commitment to nursing these young minds. Your guidance has been instrumental in shaping not only their professional abilities but also their character. To the parents and families present here today, your sacrifices, encouragement and support have been the bedrock of your children's success. Today, you too deserve, celebrate and take pride in their achievements. Dear graduates, as you step into the professional world, remember that your education is not just a means to a career. It is a commitment to service, strive to uphold the highest standard of ethics and care. In the ever-evolving field, dentistry embraces innovation, be adaptable and maintain a lifelong curiosity to learn. When I was a child, I thought that dental surgery is only extraction of teeth. Now there is a evolution, implantation, and to dentists, so many faculty has been developed in dental surgery. It is not only an extraction. You can heal the pain, you can keep the teeth for a long time. So it is an ongoing process of development of dental surgery, which India got a big leap after 1960. The challenges you will face are many, but I am confident that you will rise to meet them with courage and competence. Whether you choose to practice, pursue research, and contribute to public health initiative, know that your work will leave an indelible impact on society. As you embark on this new journey, let me leave you with a thought. Success is not measured solely by professional achievement, but also by the lives you touch and the difference you make. Be compassionate, be empathetic, and never lose sight of the humanity behind every patient you treat. May your journey ahead be as fulfilling and rewarding as the path that has brought you here. Go forth with pride and purpose and make a positive mark on the world. May you all continue to shine brightly in the days to come. Whenever I come to the private university, I always say the quality and standard of education should be maintained. Our country population is 140 crores. It is not possible for our government to cater all sector, all spheres of lives. So private players has an important role in education, in health, in other sectors. But standard must be maintained, because we have to play with the lives of people. You are going to play with the lives of people, so standard of education which you got, it must be up to the mark. So I request the authority of this university to take note of these things, that they are doing a philanthropist job, not a commercial job. There is so many fields to earn money. When you come to a education sector, when you come to a health sector, you must have a philanthropist look. You must see that students get proper education, students get proper proper professors. Whether container, the building is good or not, it is not matter for the student. What is in the content in the building? How they profess, how they educate their student, that's matter. And that should be kept intact. I said, Vice Chancellor, during my meeting with the Vice Chancellor clear, you must be under four corners of the rule of the UGC friend. And you are also guided by some rules of the Health Ministry. So we must go through this, and you have a great rule. For this, I thank you all in the private who stakeholders of this university and students. I appreciate your journey and hope you will fulfill your duty to the parents, to the society, to your friends. If you serve this, then automatic service will come to the state, to the nations. Hope you will success in your life. Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh.
Thank you so very much, sir, for your enlightening words. At this juncture, I would like to invite our Chief Guest, Honorable Governor, sir, our Guest of Honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, along with Dean Ma'am and Dean, sir, to felicitate our achievers and graduate students, recognizing their hard work and dedication. Please, sir. Please, ma'am. Next, I call upon second rank Anmol Sachdev. Coming to the third rank, we have Dr. S.K. Ragvi. Following the BDS toppers, we have MDS college toppers. First, we have Dr. Himal Bajaj securing first position from Department of Conservative and Endodontics. Following it, we have Dr. Riya Jain from Department of Conservative and Endodontics securing second position. Next, we have Dr. Rashmi Lokhande securing second position from Department of Pedodontics and Preventive Dentistry.
मेरे को कॉल करिए, एक को भेज दो, 2 से भेज वीडियो बनाने के लिए को
Following it, we call upon Dr. Jigisha Sagani from Department of Oral Surgery.
वीडियो बना दो, 2 सेकंड की वीडियो बना दो, जल्दी 2 सेकंड की।
Next, calling upon Dr. Dasari Vindhyavasini from Department of Oral Surgery. Next, we have Dr. Shanu Khan from Department of Endodontics. Following Dr. Soumya Jain, we have Dr. Sheshvi Satphale from Department of Prosthodontics. Next, we have Dr. Shanu Khan from Department of Endodontics. And finally, we have Dr. Aniket Saran from Department of Periodontics. So continuing here, I call upon Dr. Anamika Singh from BDS to receive her award. I request all the spectators to please clap for our students. Thank you so much, sir. So we will now proceed with the oath ceremony led by our Dean Academic, Dr. Shailen Sahu, sir. I request all the students sitting there to please stand at their respective places for the oath ceremony.
I shall not use my dental knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I shall not permit consideration of religion, nationality, race, caste, and creed party politics or social standing to intervene on my duty towards my patients and the profession. I shall look after the dental health of my patients as my first consideration. I shall honor the secrets which are confined in me by my patients during the professional services. I shall always maintain the honor and noble tradition of the dental profession. I shall deem it an honor to cherish a proper pride in my colleagues and shall not disparage them by actions, deeds, or words. I shall abide by the various provisions of the Act and desist from using a degree, diploma, or an abbreviation indicating or implying a dental qualification which is not in accordance with the definition of recognized dental qualification as defined under Clause 1 of Section 2 of the Act. I shall not indulge in any activity which might bring discredit to the dental profession. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you very much for the kind word. Respected dignitaries on the dais and of the dais, all the guests, respected proud parents and my dear students. It's really a proud privilege for me to stand before you as a guest of honor. This graduation ceremony, the passing out ceremony. I extend my sincere thanks to Jain sir, Buddhan sir and all the director that he invited me and honored me. This is a very important moment for the students who are going to start their new life. I always tell this is a translational of the life, because now you are student, you are under the guidance of your teacher, your parents. Now you have to do at your own everything. You have to take decisions. I always tell to my students that you have to respect your teacher. That is the important thing. That is our sanskar, you can say. In Sanatan sanskar, we all respect our guru or teacher. But the patient is your great teacher. Every patient will teach you something. All the patients, when you will attend, they are different from each other. So, my request to you all, this new doctor, that please have time to the patient and respect to the patients. They will give everything. They will give you knowledge, they will give you money, and they will establish the social recognition. They are everything for you. So, please, again I am requesting you, please give attention to the patients. They are very important for us. Or now you will remain in the society. So to become a good human being is very important. Once you are doctor, they will not reflect the public ये अच्छा डॉक्टर है और नहीं है, बट अच्छे इंसान होना बहुत जरूरी है. Then only you will be a successful medical practitioner in your life. अच्छे इंसान होना बहुत ही आवश्यकता है. इसके लिए you have to have the thinking process. Your mindset should be very pure, because your parents has a great expectation, your society has got a great expectation, your institute has a great expectation from you. So the only earning money should not be the motto in our life. Everyone earn money. Without money, life is not possible at all. but it should be an ethical way. You should have a Lakshmana Rekha in your life. Did, you know, how much you will cross this. So the discipline is very important. So I will not take much time to you, but only request again I want to give you, be a good human being, then only be a good doctor. And I extend my gratitude to the parents and the congratulations, your great success and become a doctor. And for a good life, good human being, or a good doctor, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable words amongst us. To continue with the ceremony, we call upon Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and Shri N.C. Parak Sir to felicitate our graduate students. Please, sir. First we have Achal Tomar. Anjali Agrawal. Anshita Kumari. Abhidnya Bidwai. Bhagyashree Chauhan. Dashpreet Kaur Bhatia. Naina Dengani. Divyansha Sharma. Pratiksha Phale. Firdoz Khan. K. Ramni. साक्षी कहाते, कपिल बंजारी, खुशबू कुंभरे, खुशबू रानी, कोमल जिंदल, कृष्णा तन्ना, अनीता यादव, चेतना कुरंजीकर, लीजा मामा पंडा, मानसी जैन,
Next we have Nancy Kodwani. Following we have Neha Chaurasia. Next, Nidhi Chauhan. Following, we have Parul Dubey. Following, we have Payal Das.
प्राची गजभिये, पूर्वा काले, ऋतिका राठी, रूपल राठी, ऋत्विका मृणालिनी, एस नंदिता, सना तरन्नुम, शशि सिंह, शिभ्या सिंह, सृष्टि, सुधांशु जायसवाल, श्वेता तलवटकर, तनीषा ताव्या, यामिनी बिसेन, अलका कुमारी, खुशबू साहू, अंकित गौराहा, Abhishek Singh Thakur, Akanksha Singh, Nidhi Ambekar, Anu Agrawal, Disha Jain, Gul Tabassum, Harsh Chhabadiya, K. Aryan, Kiran Panjwani, Mansi Sharma, Manya Choradiya, Shweta Rahangdale, Rahisa Begum, Rakshita Kande, Rupankar Das, Simran Kaur, Sophia Banu, Agrawal. Vaidik Amrani. Vikram Singhor. Yashita Bhatia. Coming to the last two felicitation, we have Yasmeen Khatun. And for the last, we have Zainab Khan. Thank you, Vice Chancellor, Sir, and all our dignitaries. I request to please take your respective seats and thank you so much for felicitating our graduate students.
As we bring our academic procession to the end, I kindly request our Secretary, Shri Sanjay Golcha sir, to please share the closing remark reflecting on the journey we have taken today. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, respected dignitaries and everyone. On behalf of the management, faculty and students of CDCRI, it is my honor to propose the vote of thanks on this special occasion. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Shri Raman Deka sir, the Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh, along with our guest of honor, Dr. P.K. Patra, Vice Chancellor at Deen Dayal Ayush University, for gracing this graduation day with your presence. Your inspiring words have not only motivated our graduates but also reaffirmed the importance of education and service to society. I would also like to take this moment to reflect on our journey. What began as the first dental college in Chhattisgarh, a pioneer in its field, has grown into the state's best dental college. Over time, we have added an Ayurvedic college and hospital and further added a multi-specialty hospital to our portfolio, striving to offer holistic and quality healthcare education. Looking ahead, we are committed to further expansion, bringing more facilities to support the dreams of aspiring healthcare professionals and addressing the needs of our community. Lastly, I thank the faculty, staff, and most importantly, students for their dedication and the families of our graduates for their unwavering support. Today's success is a collective achievement, and I wish the graduates all the best in their future endeavors. Thank you all for being a part of this milestone celebration. Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh, Jai CDCRI.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Congratulations to all students. We wish you success, fulfillment and happiness in your future endeavors. We kindly request everyone to proceed to the lunch for being a part of this significant day, and congratulations to the batch of 2019 and batch of 2021. Thank you everyone.
सामने देखिए। सामने की साइड हो जाइएगा ना, आप लोग का हो गया तो एक सामने से हट जाइए। अच्छा पीछे से बेटा, पीछे आराम से हो गया। पात्रा सर के आजू बाजू में बनाएंगे, उधर उधर से अंदर थोड़ा बेटा मैम, थोड़ा सा पीछे जाइए। पीछे तो ऐसे ही है।